Y70 Helmet Headset Installation Teaching Video. Attach round Velcro to the left and right sides of the inside of the helmet. Remove the liner on the left side of the helmet. Attach the square Velcro to secure the microphone. The short line of one speaker is posted on the left side. The long line of another speaker is posted on the right side. Removing the helmet liner. Place the excess wire inside. Restore to the original state of the helmet. Remove the clip from the headset. One Velcro is attached to the back of the headset. Another Velcro stick to the helmet. 3 types of fixing: 1 clip fixing, 2 Velcro fixing, 3 Velcro and clip together fixing.